One way to add more structure to your Excel Gantt chart is to add things like milestones and task dependencies. These help you understand how your project fits together and keep everyone aligned around your key dates. Today, I'll show you how to create milestones and manually track dependencies in Excel, and then we'll look at how tools like TeamGantt make this process easier for more complex projects. Milestones are your big checkpoints. Approval dates, kickoff events, or when a major phase ends. They help everyone see the really important points in your schedule at a glance. Dependencies show how tasks relate to each other. For instance, maybe one task can't start until another one finishes. Mapping those relationships keeps your plan realistic and prevents scheduling conflicts. To add a milestone in Excel, create a new row in your task table and give it a one-day duration. This keeps it visible on your Gantt chart as a short event instead of a full-length task. Next, format the bar so it stands out. Right-click the bar and choose a bright color, like gold. This makes your milestones instantly recognizable. If you want something more visual, go to Insert, Shapes, and choose the diamond shape. Place it on the milestone and format it with your milestone color. Just remember, these shapes won't move automatically if the date changes. You'll have to reposition them manually. To show task relationships, Excel relies on manual references. Start by adding a WBS column. That's your structured task numbering system. Phases might be numbered 1, 2, and 3, while tasks inside those phases get 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and so on. Then add a predecessor column. Here, enter the WBS number of the task that must finish before the next one begins. This gives you a visual map of your task relationships, but Excel won't enforce those dependencies. Moving a task won't adjust anything else. Everything still shifts manually. It's good for things like presentations, but for everyday use, you may want a more interactive solution. Don't worry, I'll show you a great one in a moment. Excel is okay for quick timelines and static presentations, but milestones and dependencies can become very time-consuming as your project grows. That's because Excel won't adjust dates automatically, support lead or lag time, lock milestone dates, or update related tasks when things shift. But if you need that, then you're in luck, because that's where software like TeamGantt steps in. In TeamGantt, dependencies are built in. You can create real task relationships, finish to start, start to finish, start to start, or finish to finish, and add lead or lag time to fine-tune your sequence. If you need to shift a task, everything connected to it updates instantly. No formulas, no workarounds, no surprises, just easy, intuitive, interactive, real-time management of your plan. Milestones can also be locked in place, so even if your schedule moves, you can choose for these dates to stay put. It's a simple way to keep your plan aligned with your goals. If you find yourself spending a lot of time manually adjusting dates in Excel, it might be time for a better tool. Fortunately, here are a few options. You can download our free Excel Gantt chart template if you want a faster starting point, or you can use TeamGantt for free and get built-in dependencies, drag and drop milestones, and automatic scheduling with no formulas required. You can even use our free AI Gantt chart generator to quickly create a robust and intuitive plan for your project, all for free with no credit card required. Try it out today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more project planning tutorials. See you next time.